Hello, Pierce College students. So the question is, how do I upload my assignment? So what is an assignment? An assignment is any activity assessment that is created by the instructor. So first of all, we should be on Dashboard. On Dashboard, we see the list of our courses. Click on the course that you want. In this case, I will click on LAPC ESL Tutors. And then I should see a list. In this list, you have to find assignments. So in this case, is the first one. I tab on assignments. And here I see the list of assignments for this specific course. So in this case, I want to do the second one, Paper Unit 1. Under the title, I see the due date. The due date is March 2020. If I tab on that assignment, then here I see assignment details. In this case, it's a essay. So we see the essay prompt. And also you have to read this really carefully to understand exactly what professor wants you to do. And then at the end, at the bottom of the screen, you see Submit Assignment. So if I click on that, I see the submission page that at the bottom of it, we have camera, gallery, and device. So I can take a photo of my assignment with camera directly. Click on the assignment and you see the camera. So make sure you have a good light here, and then take a photo of it. And then you can either, if you like the photo, then you have to tap on OK. If you don't like it, just cancel and take one more. So make sure it is all in your basically frame and it is readable, and then take a photo of it. And let's say this one is good and I push OK. So if it was just one that I needed, I can submit it after that. At the top right side, you see Submit. So if it was just this one, I could submit it. But what if it needs more than one photo? So either I can use camera again, or if I have taken the photo already and it's in my gallery, I can push gallery and tab on it, and then I see my gallery. And let's imagine I want this one is the photo that I take. So I click on it and it's added already to my list. And let's see, there is another one. I have the photo, but it's not in gallery. For instance, it's in downloads folder of my phone. In that case, I use device. And in device, as you see, I see all those photos that I have or any files here. So I click on the fourth one, for instance, and I use open. So the fourth one is already also added to this assignment. So all I need to do now is to submit it. So if I click on Submit, at the right hand side top of the screen, then my assignment is submitted. So I don't need those. And if you want to go back after you submit it, basically you just click on this icon of arrow at the left top side of the screen and go back. And then if you want to do another assignment, you can continue here. If not, just by tapping on that, I go back to Dashboard.